This baked potatoes is very tasty and easy to make, and is also kid friendly. So you're welcome. This is Solishy's Cuisine. If you are new here, you're welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do so and click also on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So the first thing is actually to peel your potatoes and wash them, which I have already done. And I'm going to slice each and every one of the potatoes into 4 halves. So at this point, I'm done slicing my potatoes. As you can see, the next thing I'll be adding some other ingredients which are all listed out in the description box below. Please kindly make sure you check it. So I just put oil. Next, I'm going to add some garlic which has been mashed or crushed, and some salt, onion powder, oregano powder, paprika powder, some chili flakes. I'm going to add all that and mix together. Next, I will put the potatoes in on my oven tray, which has been prepared with foil paper, and make sure it is well spread out. Next, I will cover with another foil paper. That way it preserves the heat and make the potatoes to cook quickly. After it is covered with the foil paper, I'm going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes on 200 degrees. So after 20 minutes, I will take off the foil paper and then put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. So along the line, you are going to check constantly to make sure that it doesn't get burned, and to also make sure that it is well cooked. So I added some chopped parsley for garnishing and more flavor before putting it back in the oven. This is optional. After almost 20 to 25 minutes, the potatoes is all ready, and now you can just serve and enjoy with whichever sauce of your choice. You could have this with some ketchup or mayonnaise, and even some chicken, cutlet, anything of your choice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please kindly share and give this a thumbs up, and leave a comment below if you tried the recipe or how you make yours. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe, keep loving each other. God bless you. Bye bye.